Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you on the platform of Exam4. I'm Sanjay Singh Tomar, your maths mentor, and I welcome you all in this very important session, guys. What we are discussing for the upcoming CGL 2022. So do join, and once you join, please do not forget to let me know by your comments about your joining as well. Is it clearly audible, visible? Is it clearly audible, visible? Hello, Ram, Shrivani, Shivakaran, Harika. Very good afternoon to all, guys. I hope you all are absolutely great. Priyanka Sharma, Harika, Siva, Shrivani, Ram. A very good afternoon to all, guys. Yeah, you all are highly welcomed over the platform. So, lot of surprises in the past 2 days, isn't it? A lot of surprises in the past 2 days, guys. So no worries, guys. Everything will happen. Everything will happen for good, guys, and we are going to cater in this situation as well. Yeah, no issues, Ram. But the quantity might have decreased, but quality definitely would increase. If the quality will increase, guys, you guys are at going to be at the advantage. And believe me, guys, I am going to give you that kind of content so that you are going to have the extra edge over the others. Okay, in the upcoming 5 7 10 days, you will feel that I am going to give you that kind of content which will create the extra edge of yours to others. Okay, so let's move on. Today, guys, it is a previous only. It is a previous only. Okay, so from tomorrow onwards, we are going to start. Yeah, Shiva. वो छुपा हुआ है नीचे. क्या छुपा हुआ है? उसको ऊपर ला. क्या करना है? Can you see me? What is the first answer? Inaudible. Shiva, it would be audible. I think it would be definitely audible, Shiva. It would be definitely audible, Shiva. In a triangle ABC. In a triangle ABC. In a triangle ABC, AB and AC is in the ratio 5:2, and BC is given as 9. BA is produced to the point D. BA is produced to the point D such that the bisector of angle CAD, something like this, will meet the produced BC at E. What is the length of CE? Guys, I might have taught you the internal angle bisector as well as the external angle bisector. I might have taught you the internal angle bisector as well as the external angle bisector. how did I tell about, guys, external angle bisector? How did I tell you about external angle bisector? Whenever the problem is of external angle bisector, whenever the problem is of external angle bisector, convert it into internal angle bisector. So assume this AE line as inside. Assume this AE line as inside and apply the property of internal angle bisector. So it is AB upon AC. The ratio of the corresponding side is equal to BE over EC. So assume the problem as of an internal angle bisector. Assume the problem as of an internal angle bisector. All your problems are solved. AB upon AC is 5:2. Okay. Total BC was 9. Total BC was 9. They are asking you the length of CE. So assume it x. So this will become 9 minus x. So this will become 9 minus x and this is x. So 5x is equal to 18 minus 2x. 5x is equal to 18 minus 2x. What? Charlie and Ram. BE over EC. AB over AC is equal to BE over AC. Total BC was 9. Total BC was 9. What, guys? What is happening? Just a minute. Okay. You are only assuming it, bacha. You are only assuming it. You are only assuming it over here. Actually, guys, you are only assuming it over here. You are only assuming it over here. Actually, its position is external. Na? Actually, its position is external. So for you, this is 9 plus x. For you, this is 9 plus x. Yeah, because this is externally located. Na? For you, this is external. For you, this is like you are only assuming it for the property. You are only assuming it for the property, but ideally this is outside. If this is outside, then you have to take it. You have to take it 9 plus x. So it will become 5x is equal to 18 plus 2x. So 3x is equal to 18. X is equal to 6. Why we assumed it internal? Just to write the property correctly. Just to write the property correctly, guys, we assume it internal. Otherwise, it was external only. Otherwise, it was external only. Okay. Otherwise, it was external only. So you will assume this distance CE as x. So this total BE comes out to be 9 plus x and CE is x. Cool. Clear, guys? Clear. This internal assumption we have made, this internal assumption we have made for what? For properly writing the property. For properly writing the property. For this portion. Otherwise, the length of BE and EC, if you assume EC as x, then BE will become 9 plus x. Then BE will become 9 plus x. Okay, cool and clear. Next. Each and every data visible. Each and every data visible. Number of male and female. Number of male and female in different organizations are given. Now the same graph is on the next page as well. The same graph is on the next page as well. Average number of female in all 5 organizations to average number of male in all 5 organizations. Average number of female in all 5 organizations to average number of male in all 4 organizations. Average is sum upon number. So basically this is going to be the ratio of sum only. Basically this is going to be the ratio of sum only. Okay. Basically this is going to be the ratio of sum only. So female and male. Female are green color. 575 plus 250. 575 plus 50 is 625. 725, 825. 1025. 1050. 1050. 1150. 1150. Please do check it once as well. Okay. Please do check it once as well. Okay. Now, what is average number of, this is sum, na? This is sum. What is the sum for here? 250, 225, 475. 475 plus 20, 500. 500 plus 3, 800. 800 plus 200 is 1000, 1075. 1075 plus 50 is 1075 plus 50 is 1125, and 1125 plus 100 is 1225. So second value is going to be greater. Second value is going to be greater. 5 2 ja 10, 15. 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15. 5 2 ja 10, 22. 5 4 ja 20. Okay. 5 4 ja 20, 46, 49. Yeah, absolutely cool. Absolutely cool. Absolutely cool, guys. Absolutely cool. Let's move on to the second question, or maybe the third question of the day. All the very best to you. All the very best to you. Surbhi sold an article at 176 after giving 12% discount on the marked price. Had she not given any discount, she would have earned a profit of 25%. Okay, what does this mean? What does this mean? Let the CP is 100%. MP, because we are offering the discount now. We are offering the discount. So let the MP is 100%. Let the MP is 100%. Since you are offering 12% discount, so SP is 88%. 88% is given as 176. So 1% is equal to 2. 100% is equal to 200. So your MP is 200, bacha. Your MP is 200, bacha. Your MP is 200. Now, had she not given any discount, she would have gained a profit of 25%. Okay, if she would have not given any discount, then in that case, his SP would be same as SMP. His SP would be same as MP. So SP is going to be same as MP. And in this condition, the profit is what? The profit is 25%. And 25% profit means 1 over 4. So SP and CP is in the ratio 5:4. SP and CP is in the ratio 5:4. If 5 is 200, then 4 is 160. Come on, guys, please do watch out. Please do watch out. Clear? Clear, guys? Clear? If you don't offer any discount, then your SP is going to be 200 and your CP is going to be 160, because for the profit of 25%, they should maintain the 5:4. For the profit of 25%, they should maintain the 5:4. For the profit of 25%, they should maintain the 5:4. Let's move on. Let's move on. So very soon, guys, we are going to start something very new, something very exciting for this year's CGL. Yeah, very soon, maybe from within 1 or 2 days, guys. Within 1 or 2 days, I'm going to start very target oriented study, guys. And I want lot of toppers from here. The content quality, guys, just leave it to me. The content quality, just leave it to me. Okay. Looking at the syllabus, the way syllabus is written. Looking at the syllabus and looking at the way the syllabus is written, I am feeling some changes and I'm going to implement those changes in my sessions. Looking at the way, have you seen, guys, the way of writing the syllabus was different from the previous CGLs. In previous CGLs, they used to write Indian economy, Indian history. Now they have written affairs related to Indian economy. Okay. In mathematics, they have made some boundaries, number system. They have made some categories. They have clubbed arithmetic in a single session. So that shows something. And I'm going to implement those changes in the sessions as well. Have you observed that the way of writing the syllabus was different? At pre-level, things are going to be mostly same. But since since it is necessary to elevate the label, it is necessary to elevate the label from now onwards for the mains. So I will start elevating a bit from the pre-preparation only. What? A 240-meter long train overtakes a man walking 6 km per hour in the same direction in 9 seconds. Okay, very good. Very good. Crossing a man in the same direction. So 240-meter distance, same direction, relative speed is train minus man. Train minus man in 9 seconds. In 9 seconds. So 3 3 ja and 3 8 ja. So 80 by 3 meter per second is the relative speed of train minus man. 80 by 3 meter per second is the relative speed of train minus man. Convert into kilometer per hour. Convert into kilometer per hour. Multiply by 18 by 5. 6. And this is how much? So 96 is the speed of train minus man. Man is given as 6. Man is given as 6. So train will come out to be 102. Have you found out this, bacha? Have you found out this? That the speed of the train is 102. The speed of the train is 102. How much time will it take to pass a tunnel 372 meter long? So, to cross a tunnel, it has to cross its own length plus the length of tunnel, which will become 2, 7 plus 4, 11, 1, 612 meter. 612 meter. Only train has to cover it. Only train has to cover it. If this is in the meter, convert into meter per second again. Oh, this is repeated. This is repeated, bacha. This is repeated. So you can convert into meter per second again. So 102 into 5 by 18. This is going to get simplified 6 times. So it is 5 3 ja 15, 5 6 ja 30, 18 plus 3.6, 21.6. We can avoid this repetition. We can avoid this repetition by converting the speed of man. We can avoid this repetition by converting the speed of man in meter per second. We can avoid this repetition by converting the speed of man in meter per second. Like here. It's 80 by 3 meter per second. Train minus man. Man is 6 kilometer per hour. So convert into meter per second. Convert into meter per second. 5 by 3. So train will come 80 by 3 plus 5 by 3. 85 by 3. Train will come 85 by 3. If train will come 85 by 3, then we can directly divide it by 85 by 3. We can directly divide it by 85 by 3. Just divide it. You will get the answer. (21.6) it will simplify. Because 20 times it is 1700, 20 times it is 1700, 1 times it is 85. So whatever is remaining is only going to be 0.6 times. So whatever is remaining is only going to be 0.6 times. Is it clear? Is it clear? Obviously, this should be a multiple of 17. This should be a multiple of 17. 17 1 just 17. 136. Now 136 would be 8 times. And 17 5 ja 85. 108. 108 by 5 is 21.6. Clear, guys? Clear? Please do watch out and tell me. Let's move on. Length of rectangle is increased to its 3 times and breadth is decreased to its half, then the ratio of area of given to the area of new. Area is length into breadth. Length of rectangle is increased to its 3 times. So length is changed from 1 to 3. Length is changed from 1 to 3. And breadth is decreased to half. So breadth is changed from 2 to 1. So initial area 2, final area 3. Initial area 2, final area 3. Answer C. Answer C. Initial area 2, final area 3. Initial area 2, final area 3. 2 and 3. Let's move on. Oh, wow. Wow, guys. Guys, if you want to do it by ratio, you can't do it. If you want to do it by ratio, guys, you can't do it. Looking at the number. Looking at the number, guys, if you want to do it by ratio, you can't do it. Only possibility is the formula told by me. Only possibility is the formula told by me. Isn't it? Isn't it or not? If you want to do it by, guys, ratios, you can't do it. The only possibility is the formula told by me, that overall profit loss is overall profit loss percentages when SP is same. When SP is same, this 19% profit, 11% loss. So 100, 19 minus 11, loss is negative. 100, 19 into minus 11, loss is negative. And 219 minus 11. This is 800. This is 38 into minus 11. And this is 208. This is 208. So 800 minus. Multiply 388 by 11. It is 8. 8 plus 3, 11. And 1 plus 4, 418 divided by 208. So it's a profit. It's a profit, bacha. It's a profit. How much percentage? Approximate will work even. 372 by 208% profit. So it's more than 1, less than 2%. It's more than 1, less than 2%. Loss gone, loss gone. More than 1, less than 2. Options were very bad. Options were very bad. We were able to do it quite easily. We were able to do it quite easily. 372 divided by 208 is 1 point something, and 1 point something is this. This is doable. This is doable. Average marks of boys are 63 and girls are 70. So answer should be lying between 63 and 70. Absurd. Absurd. Okay. Now boys 60% are girls, 60% are girls, and 40% are boys. So they are maintaining the ratio 2:3. What is their middle value? Their middle value is 7 divided 65.5. So answer should be more between 65.5 to 70. Acha, two options. Two options. Chalo, koi na. Otherwise, we would have cracked it without doing anything. Okay. Because the weight of girls is more, na? The weight of girls is more. The weightage of girls is more. The weightage of girls is more. So A1 N1 126 plus A2 N2 210 upon N1 plus N2 2 plus 3 5. 6 3 3 divide by 5. Chantru, you have done some calculation error. Which is pretty common. Next. Is the data is visible? 40, 70, 50, 60, 40, 55, 50, 50, 65, 45, 40, 70, 75, 65, 80. You have to adjust, guys. You have to be, guys. हाँ दिख रहा है The ratio of average production of all the flavors, the ratio of average production of all the flavors in 2012. Average production of all the flavors. Flavor A, flavor B, flavor C. 50, 50, 100, 165 divided by 3. 165 divided by 3 is, bacha, 55. Is the answer is C? I would have marked it, bacha. I would have marked it in the scarcity of time. It's no risk. It's risk free. It's risk free. Okay. It's risk free. Answer should be a factor of 55. What are the factors of 55? At least the first value should be a factor of 55. The factors of 55 are 1 can divide it, 5 can divide it. Then after that 11 can divide it and 55 can divide it. So only factor here is 11. Okay, now let's do it further. To the difference of the average of flavors A into 12, 13, 14. Flavor A 12, 13, 14. 50, 12, 13, 45 and 12, 13, 14, 75 is 120 plus 50. 120 plus 50 is 170. 170 divided by 3 is the average of this. 175 divided by 3 is the average of it, which is coming as 170 by 3 minus difference of average production of flavor C. Average production of flavor C 65, 65, 70 and 80. It is how much? 150, 210, 215 divided by 3. Okay. So obviously I will take the mod over it. So 215 minus 170 is 45 divided by 3. 45 divided by 3. This is simplifying 15 times. 55 ratio 15. Simplify by 5, 11 ratio 3. Okay, we have done the complete as well, guys. We have done the complete as well. Next. Now let's quickly do it fast, guys. Even I am thinking about the tomorrow's session. You might feel it as well, guys. I am thinking about the tomorrow's session. So I'm because I want to change the things from tomorrow. Okay, I want to change the things from tomorrow. 18 persons working 8 hours a day can complete a 3 unit of work. Work will come in the denominator in 10 days. How many days are required? By 25 persons to complete 5 unit of work? Work will come in the denominator. 5 unit of work, working 6 hours a day. How many days required? 3 6 ja 18. 6 is simplified. 6 times 5 simplified. 5 times 5 2 ja 10. Number of days are 16. So 16 days required because work will come in the denominator. because work will come in the denominator. Let's move on. Oh, wow. Divisible by 3, 7, 11. 21 into 11, 231. So a multiple of 231, guys. So a multiple of 231. So it should be a multiple of 231. 247xy should be a multiple of 231. Dividing by 231, guys, 6 remains from here. 16 is the remainder. 16 is the remainder. 16 is the remainder. So 16xy. 16xy should also be divisible by 231. 16xy should also be divisible by 231. If you read the table 8 times, if you read the table 8 times, it will go beyond 17,000, 1700. If you will read the table, guys, 8 times, it will go beyond 1600 or maybe 1700. So read the table 7 times. Read the table 7 times and let's see what comes. 7, 7 3 ja 21, 7 3 ja 21, 2, 14 plus 2, 16. Yes, it is coming in the 1600. If you read the table of 231 into 6, 7 times, guys, it is coming in 1600. So definitely my number is 1617. So x is 1, y is 7. X is 1, y is 7. So 2 into 7 minus 8 into 1. 14 minus 8, 6 is the answer. Please do watch it once. Please do watch it once. A game of bit observation. A game of bit observation. A game of bit observation. That what should be the multiple of 231? What should be the multiple of 231 so that you would be reaching in 1600? Just a little thought process. Just a little thought process that what should be the multiple of 231 so that, yeah, yes, mathematical. What should be the multiple of 231 so that we can reach in the 1600? So that we can reach in the 1600. Just a normal thought process that, okay, 231 into 8 would be near about 1700. So try for 231 into 7. Try for 231 into 7. You will land in 1600. So 1617. X is 1, Y is 7. Well done mathematical study. Radha saves 25% of her income. So if income is 100, expenditure and saving are, if saving is 25, expenditure is 75. Write the simplified ratio between them. Write the simplified ratio between them. So income, expenditure, saving. Income, expenditure, saving is in the ratio 4:3:1. Income, expenditure, saving is in the ratio 4:3:1. Okay. Now, Expenditure increases by 20%. Directly multiply by 20%. Income increases by 29%. Directly multiply by 29%. So it will become 116%. It will become 60%. So 116 minus 60 is the change in the saving. 1116 minus 60 is the change in the saving, which is 56%. Directly the answer. Directly the answer. Directly the answer. Quickly like and share the session as well, guys. If you don't share it as of now, no issues, because the session is going to end in the next 2-3 minutes. At least like it, guys, if you liked it. Yeah, if you liked it, at least like it. Okay, so this is looking a bit calculative, so I'm leaving this as a homework for you. I'm leaving this as a homework for you. We'll discuss in the next class if required. We'll discuss in the next class if required. We'll discuss in the next class if required. Okay? Let's move on. So, guys, tomorrow onwards, I'm going to bring something extra, guys, to prepare you directly for pre and mains together. To prepare you directly for pre and mains together. To prepare you directly for pre and mains together from the very first day, guys. Yeah. I have something in my mind and I'm try and going to implement them, guys. I have some things in my mind, guys, and I am going to try and implement those things. Yeah. The ratio of A and B numbers given 5 is added to each. The ratio, oh ho ho ho, this is such a easy peasy. Initial ratio 13. So whatever the multiple will come, whatever the k will come, it should be a multiple of 13. Oh, 3. 3. Chalo. No issues. So you will say, sir, initially 5:8, finally 2:3. Since you are adding the same number, so we can do it directly. It is 3, it is 1. So multiply by 3 here to make the difference same. Multiply by 3 here to make the difference same. 5:8, 6:9. Both increase by 1. Both increase by 1. Actually, 5 is added. So 1 is equal to 5. So 1 is equal to 5. So 5 is equal to 25, 8 is equal to 40. Sum of numbers is 65. Sum of numbers is 65. Putin, you are joining in the last question. Putin, you joined in the last question. Please do watch it in the recording. Please do watch it in the recording. Wherever you find out doubt, let me know in the next session. Do let me know in the next session. Okay? So, I think that was it. Definitely, guys, this is the priority of ours, that is start using the Exampo app with the improvised features, with the improved features. Yeah. And thank you very much. Yeah, thanks for watching. Thank you very much. It's quite showy. Thank you for watching. See you in the next session, guys. Take care of yourself.